Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Maite, and I am so excited because my new vanity just came in. Well, a vanity mirror. So this company is called Chende. I think I'm pronouncing them right. They came across my DIY vanity I made for my daughter on YouTube, and they sent me an email and they sent me out this free mirror. And this is like a impression, first time boxing and opening, and I'm so excited for this. So I always have a knife on me handy. So I'm gonna cut this open. Okay. I'm so excited, guys. Okay, got this out right here. So, okay, these must be the bulbs then. Oh wow, they made sure to really make sure this wouldn't break. I like that. Like, it's really hard to get out of here, but I like the fact that, oh wow. Oh wow. I'm excited for this. So this is it, guys. Wow, this is really pretty. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm actually going to screw her in. So I have my light bulbs, and it does come with light bulbs. When this is done, I'm going to see how much this actually costs. I'm going to pull it up on my phone. This is the last one. Oh, that's good. They actually gave you an extra bulb. Honestly, I'm not gonna lie, this is the first time I've seen a company give you an extra bulb. I have like, this one is from Impressions Vanity, and they didn't give me any extra bulbs. So that's really good. I'm gonna actually put this in my my Alex jar so I would never lose it. But I really do appreciate that they give you an extra light bulb. Okay, this is the cord right here. I'm going to unplug. I guess I don't need this one. Okay. I'm going to plug it in right now. Okay, where? Okay. Okay. And this is it. Wow. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to, let me put this box on my bed. Let's move this chair to the side. Wow. This is a deep, wow. Look at that. I can't put it on my desk right now because I have so much stuff on it. Okay, there we go. I'm going to bring my camera in. Okay. So this is the mirror, and I like it. It's like really nice and bright. It can't fit on my vanity, but you know, I do have some space over here, so I am gonna actually put another desk right here. But this is perfect when I'm actually recording and doing my videos. I can have a little desk and put stuff on it and still have the lighting in the mirror and still focus on that, so I love it. This is really cute. I like this a lot. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to go on their website right now and see how much this actually costs. Okay, so I'm going to go on their website right now. Okay. So the company, again, is called Chende. I think I'm pronouncing it wrong. Oh wow, wow, their stuff is actually, wow, their stuff is affordable. Okay. So right now, this is on sale for $49.99. It was originally $139, and they dropped it to $99. But with the discount, you could get this for $50. And honestly, $50 is a really good price for this. It's a really good decent size. I like this a lot. But even there, if you wanted to get like a vanity similar to this like something like this on their website right now retails for $179, which is super affordable for a vanity. Because when this first came out, I paid more than $300 for this. Now, like, they're really affordable and you can make your own. And also, the one, like, anybody who's new, if you haven't seen it, I'm gonna link it below. But I built my daughter a vanity using these lights, because they also have lights that you can make. And I like it. Like, I'm not gonna complain. Thank you so much, Chende. I know I'm pronouncing it wrong, for sending this to me, and I really appreciate it. And I really can't wait to do makeup looks and everything with this mirror. So I'm really excited for it. And like I said, guys, it's really affordable. It's $50 on their website. Now, I also know they sell on Amazon, so I'm gonna go on Amazon right now for you guys to see how much it costs. So Chende mirror vanity. So I'm gonna see if I can find it. Oh, okay. So it's not on Amazon. I thought it would be. So it's on their website. It's $50. So like I said, $50 is a great deal for something like this. That's a really good deal. Really affordable. And I think this is my review, guys. Like I said, I'm gonna see how long it's gonna last up. Like I said, I have their lights for my daughter. She's been using it, and she even sleeps with it on sometimes, and they haven't burnt out yet. So thank you so much for sending this to me. And guys, if you are considering getting it, like I said, it's $50. And this is bright. Like, this is really bright. It's cute. You have the can you? No, you can't. Oh wait, can you? No, you can't. I was like, maybe you could try to stand it up, but you can't stand it up. So it has to go like this. But it has this. It's cute. Your 4 light bulbs, and remember, it comes with an extra light bulb as well, and an outlet. So I like that. I like the fact that it came with an extra light bulb. Like I said, I haven't experienced that with any other company before. And I also like the fact that it was kind of hard to get out the box. It came really protected. And, you know, I'm excited. And this does come in white and black. I got the white one because, you know, my vanity's white. And that's it. Thank you so much for sending this to me. And I can't wait to recreate the makeup looks with this. Thank you, guys. And this is my review. Bye-bye.